I had no part in this. It was not my idea. Wow! You want me to take care of his dog, or do you want to take care of his dog?
This is the one I had in mind.
Someone's losing a leg.
These things will shatter?
Yeah.
We need it to shatter.
Into like a million pieces.
Yeah. Yeah, it's this tempered glass.
If it breaks into some pieces, that's how you chop your limbs.
Yeah.
Fragile, handle with care, and it does have a little glass breaking thing on there.
Yeah, I don't know about this cheap. I ain't trying to lose a limb. Have you ever seen like action movies where people fly through fish tanks? So say this glass, you fall on it, right? It's gonna break and there'll be sharp pieces. If it was tempered, you land on it, it's just gonna crumble. For a second you jump on it, it's gonna just break, and then your board's gonna go through it, and a sharp piece is literally just gonna cut up your leg.
This is more dangerous than after the fact when I broke my neck.
Yeah.
Like, it's still more dangerous.
It's more dangerous than rewatching that video. I feel like Gabe hates us right now.
That'd be a bad way to go out. They'd have to make your tombstone a fish tank. I will bring phone books, and we can duct tape phone books around your ankles and your legs.
But then you can't even pop that high.
You need a lot of phone books. You gotta need it in your mid too. If you get anywhere stabbed, you're gonna die. Like a $50 one. Fragile, handle with care, 31 bucks.
Okay.
So what we can do is we can take this back to the Braille house real quick.
Right now.
We can test it, and then we can make our decision on what we want to do.
All right.
Deal.
It's the same brand, same glass.
Same glass.
Oh my god, I want that dog.
Let's see, if you turn your hat backwards and look into it, you'll land the trick.
That's not a myth.
Yeah,
It's a myth. This is just a test. The one I want to buy is about this big. If it shatters into triangular polygon shapes that are sharp, we will all die.
What you should probably do is just hit it with a skateboard.
If it is indestructible, can we buy fish? Betty was really fishing for that one.
Wait. Jeez.
Oh, you're dead. You are dead. If your leg
God.
falls into that,
Oh, yeah.
you're dead. No, just imagine your foot.
I know, I'm
like
saying.
trying to ollie,
It severs
right?
every-
And your whole board just goes into it.
I know,
And it
that's
just
what I'm
cuts
saying.
all here.
Be
Both
awful.
sides.
Yeah.
Both sides, and you're like this.
It'd be the worst thing ever. So now that you are here, my friend,
What's up?
there's one thing I need to show you first.
What's that?
And it's this cat. This cat right here is amazing.
Oh, little Garfield. Hey, kitty. Hey.
This is the one I'm looking at right here. I want to
So
get
the
your
idea
thoughts.
is to be able to manual cross it or just like anything.
I think anything, even just like a board slide or something.
And then it's so big that I can go swimming in it right after, so.
That's true, honestly. All right. Well, I'm gonna give you this, and I will do the heavy lifting.
Leave it up to the crazy guy to try everything. This thing is not that heavy, but I am that small. Let's do a whole interview. Just carry this back to the Braille house, you and me. It's times like this I realize I am out of shape, dude.
Yeah.
Yep.
We have the fish tank. Wow. That is nice right there. This is slowly turning into the best video of all time.
I can't afford this shit. Just what I always wanted, my own Gabe.
This is actually quite comfortable.
Why does every video now have to have like some death-defying stunt? It's like, now Carlos will manual a fish tank filled with electric laser sharks while being shot at with the crossbow.
Because I usually say I'm down.
Let me give you a rundown of what happened. Went to the store with Fetty and Uzi. They saw this, shut down. Absolutely not doing this. Refused. We bought a $40 same brand to test the glass. They shatter it, first hit with the sledgehammer.
That's a sledgehammer.
Fetty goes, nope, not doing it. And you know what Carlos goes? He's like looking at it, he's agreeing with Fetty, and then he comes and talks to me one-on-one. He goes, I can do it.
You know, the stunt is like somebody's got to do it.
Or not. There's a lot of ideas in the world of manualing a glass fish tank filled with
Personally, all the glass board videos that we've done, everything's broken, so I want to be the first one to successfully get across it without any shatter.
Carlos, wherever you want it.
Should you at least ollie over it first?
Maybe you break everything.
Like this?
Yeah.
He's like figured out how to like glide over it somehow. I don't know what he's thinking.
You know you have an artery like right here.
It's just like the trek video. I didn't say anything,
Whoa.
so just let me do me, okay? The wheels will be on it, but I won't be on it.
I like to go on record saying I had no part in this. It was not my idea. It has nothing to do with anything I support.
No, this is my consent. This is
Okay.
What do you think?
I think he's gonna die.
He wallied it. He would have clipped this. It would have lifted up. His foot would have went through here, right in his artery. Dead.
That's the idea.
He might be able to do it.
Over the glass, like fish tanks, and get impaled and die.
Yeah.
And then the root word, it's movies.
They come from real things.
That's right. This is
That
like
could
a
be your
skateboard
downfall.
tutorial.
You guys aren't helping.
You can picture the land and land anything you
You
want.
know what? That's what you did when I was trying that.
Everything?
Everyone was all being negative and whatnot.
The what?
On my up there.
I have no idea what he's talking about.
When I tried to jump up with the trike up there.
Oh.
Everyone was being negative just like this. Bad juju.
One broken neck later. Done. He would have been done. Here's what I think is going to happen. I think he's going to ollie. It's going to break. And his wheels are going to catch right there and he'll fall. He won't get cut though. I think he might be able to do it this way, but not that way.
Either or. If this one's successful, we're definitely gonna try it the long ways.
What about a crooked grind on this?
I think it'll work, dude. I just have to skim across it.
I have a first aid kit in my car.
He said you guys are not helping. We want you to be safe.
Welcome to my world.
He would have made that one.
You think so?
Yeah, I do.
Let's look at this.
That one was the best one. I think he would have made that one.
You have to do that again on a smaller obstacle.
You got this, Carlos. Yeah, you got this.
Did you not see the tiny fish tank? We dropped the 8-pound sledgehammer on a skateboard.
You're missing the point. I don't even weigh 8 pounds when I'm going across this thing.
I do not like this because I don't know what's in each one.
Let the man do his work.
Sometimes, in certain circumstances, fear is okay.
But for the people who aren't doing it, just let him mentally work up to it and stop putting bad things in his mind.
I would be concerned if Carlos wasn't a robot. I'm just gonna let that out there. Oh yeah, this is golden.
That's me trying to manual it from skimming for what I talked about earlier. There's no way
Hashtag
I'm-
science. I believe in you. I in fact believe in you so much I'm gonna get inside of there. Well, I think it was good knowing him. He's been a good friend. You want me to take care of his dog, or do you want to take care of his dog? I'll take him. He's cute.
Dude, I just see a replay of Aaron dropping in on a glass board, except this is a real board on a glass manual pad.
That's what I keep thinking back to. Your glassboard drop-in was so much less controlled than this. You had no idea what was gonna happen.
This is like science. You know, it's a big difference.
See how hard I'm hitting? I'm hitting him with at least like 6 pounds of weight. Godspeed. Here we go.
Got this, my brother. I told you it would work!
I knew he could do it. He can do anything. He's a machine, like I said.
I knew that would freaking work. Everyone is so negative, dude. I knew that would work.
Okay. I just want to try it. I kind of want to try it long ways.
up
Let's
to you.
flip it this way. The idea is to get across it without it cracking, right? That's the
Yes.
idea. All right, guys.
You got this, man. Gotta go hella fast. You
Here
got
we
it.
go. Here we go.
Wow!
No more. No more. I'm done.
That's
I'm
amazing.
done. Actually, go on that side. I'm trying board side.
Oh yeah, boy. I mean, at this point, let's just sesh
You
it.
gotta do it, dude.
We're all too fat to skate this.
You can do a board slide
No
after seeing
way.
Carlos.
No way.
Wow, man. That's impressive.
Crook. It might break, but whatever. We got the shot, so let's keep going.
Seriously impressed.
Wow. Kickflip into it?
Stop it.
What?
Dude, I'm telling you, the box thing made more sense yesterday when I was practicing. That like what made it like, okay, you can get across it. The idea is like I'm landing with literally about 3 pounds on the board.
You're incredible. It's insane how light he is on it.
Yeah, like a feather.
The first successful glass video.
I knew
yes,
you'd be
we
able to
did
do
it.
that.
Well, that was a success. What do we do now?
You get to break it.
Really?
Yeah.
My favorite thing was the amount of doubt in the beginning of the whole video.
Yeah,
I mean, I was doubting myself too with it. Thank you guys. That pushed me to do it even more. Stubborn little Los.
I believed in you, Carlos.
All good.
You know what? I said exactly what he needed to hear. Grandma in the Matrix. That's me.
I don't think people believe that this is actually glass at this point.
You don't?
Maybe we should prove it to them.
How about I step on it?
Your feet go right in there and it's just slice your leg off.
And?
Wasn't that the concern of the video?
Or were we trying to make a good video? Aaron bleeds out?
Go, dude.
Kinda wanna just step on it.
Go ham. Stand on it. Give it up more. Come on. You're half standing.
There you go.
More power. More power. More power. Come on. Wait. Oh, hold up. I think someone can kickflip on top of it, dude.
Go, Gabe. Kickflip on top. Go ahead. Kickflip over it.
It's so nerve-wracking, dude.
This might be the best video we've ever made.
What?
Because he skated the glass and it didn't break. I thought he was going for a heel flip, and I was like, no. This is more dangerous than the glass.
Jeez.
That catch though.
Here's the thing. Do I like Thor hammer throw it through it?
Will not come out.
Or do I just hit it?
Start from back there, run and scream, and just do whatever feels natural.
I am Thor! I am power! It literally went like this. Oh!
Dude, look how thick
That
is.
is super thick.
About as thick as the glass skateboard was, to be honest.
Wow.
It's that crystal Dale. The crystal Dale.
Ooh.
Fully damaged. Glass cut, yeah.
Dang. No way.
No wonder Carlos was okay. I mean, it broke it over here. Over here, it's fine.
It's so quick it doesn't even seem like slow motion.
Wow.
Wow. I had no idea glass was that strong. Oh.
Oh, that actually hurt.
What do we do now? I mean, we can't leave those other two panels intact.
Yeah, I know. You had to destroy it.
Somebody must break it. Gabe, you want to break it?
Not really.
Freaking spot.
Daniel's moving his car.
Clean up aisle 5. Clean up aisle 6. Clean up aisle 8. Clean up aisle 10. Clean up aisle 12. Clean up aisle 9. We actually have to clean this up. No!
There's
Okay.
still a bottom.
Just imagine, maybe you don't want to. But this is why we're safety professionals, because You could have fallen onto that. Yeah, actually stupid skate. Here we go.
Play a game of skate over it.
Let's play a game of skate in this. Check out all the other videos right there. You'll have an absolute blast watching those. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for anything you need. I'll see you in the next video.